In this problem, it says that EN is tangent to the point N. ANE is 43 and ANU is 31 degrees. We want to determine the degree measurement of angle UAN. All right, let's draw a slightly bigger picture. So here's A, here's N, here's U. Now it says that ANE, whoops, here's point E up here, is 43 degrees. So there's that. And that says that ANU is 31 degrees. Now, these three angles, this one, and this one, have to add up to 180. So if I take these two and subtract from 180, I get this angle, which is 106. Now, the key thing to remember is that this angle is not a central angle. I believe it's an inscribed angle, is what we call it. And so this arc length is 62. It's double what this one is. And so the same thing can be said for this arc out here. This is 43, so this is 86. This arc is 106, so this is 212. Now, how does that help us? Well, this arc, UN, right here, connects with this angle right here. So this angle needs to be half of that. So this angle is 106 as well, because it's an inscribed angle. It's half the measure of the arc. And so 106 is our answer. And we're done.